Dear students, today's topic is articles. There are three articles, a, an, and the. These three articles have been categorized as indefinite and definite article. A and an is a type of indefinite article because it does not point out any particular definite person. It means when we use a or an, it does not point out to a particular person or thing or place, so it's called as indefinite article. For example, a book, a girl, a table, a mobile phone, a glass, an owl, an elephant, an inkpot, an orange. The is a definite article because it points out a particular person or thing. As you all know that the is a definite article because it points out a particular person or thing. Let's see, the Himalayas, the Gangas, the Ramayana, the sun, the earth, the Mahabharata, the Indian Express, etc. When you are doing articles, you should remember some rules based on it. First one, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. It means if there is a common noun which is in singular, so there must an article before it. Let's see this example. This is a picture. In this sentence, picture is a singular noun. So before it, we will use article a. Let's see second. I saw an elephant on the road. In this sentence, elephant refers to as common noun and it's singular. So before it, we will use the article. But as you all know that with vowels, we use the article an. So here, an will come because the word elephant, it's starting from E. And vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So if any word is starting from vowel, so you will use the article an. Let's see third. The letter I wrote didn't reach my friend. In this sentence, letter act as a common noun and it is in the singular form. So you will use the, and they are talking about a particular letter. As I have just told you, for particular things we will use the definite article, that is the. Let's see next. When a common noun in the singular number is used in a general sense, no article comes before it. Example, man is mortal. Okay. When a common noun is used in a singular number but in a general sense, then in that case you will use no definite article and indefinite article. Let's see, man is mortal. In this sentence, man act as a common noun but before it, because it refers to as in general sense. So I have just told you that if a singular noun is used in a general sense, then there is no need to use article before it. Let's see next. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak of the same person or thing a second time, we use the. Okay. When we are talking about a person or a thing for the first time, if we are taking the name, then we will use a before that. And if we are using it for second time, then we will use the. Let's see an example. I saw a girl sitting on a chair. So here, before girl, we used a. The girl was sad. Now we are talking about the same girl. So here, before the common noun girl, we have used the article the. Let's see next. Common nouns in the plural number do not have the definite article the placed before them. Okay, it means if in the sentence there is a common noun given, and it is in plural, so no need to use the article, definite article before them. Let's see, cows give milk. In this sentence, cows act as a common noun, okay, and it's plural, so there is no need to use definite article before it. Let's see, boys are naughty. So here boys refers to as common noun and the plural too, so no need to add the before it. Let's see uses of article A. That